Basher umeksena sa SB19 video, naging katawa-tawa.
Akala nyo ba ang kapangyarihan?
SB19 Pablo and Josh sang Kapangyarihan, their song with Ben and Ben, which is very timely with the current issues. Napamura pa nga ang Josh. At eto nga umeksena ang mga basher na nagsabi pang, pwede na pala mag-promote ng mura. And the other said, bakit? Workers ba sila para mag-tax? Una, justified ang pagmumura ng kahit sino, lalong-lalo na ng mga taxpayers sa nangyayaring korupsyon ngayon. Lahat tayo nagtatrabaho ng marangal, nagpapakahirap, pero nilulustay lang ng mga buwaya, mapapamura ka talaga. Now for this basher na nagsabing, bakit workers ba sila para mag-tax? Well, dapat talaga unahin na pag-aaral, hindi ang pagpipindot-pindot sa social media para hindi maging katawa-tawa. FYI, SB19 is being taxed left and right as an artist and company owner. At syempre, as a citizen of this country, lahat ng binibili natin dito sa Pinas, tayo ang nagbabayad ng tax. In short, they are paying a huge amount of taxes. Kaya mapapatawa ka na lang talaga sa mga nakakabobong komento ng mga basher. On the other hand, here are notable comments from this video. SB19 is usually very mindful with stuff like this, so if a video cursing about corruption made it out, then it's most likely intentional. Go boys! Artists like SB19 pay millions in taxes from their income, concerts, endorsements, merch, and even their world tours in dollars. Every ticket, every endorsement, every album sold is taxed and contributes to Philippine government revenue. They not only bring pride to the country, but also fuel the economy. Sadly, the problem is when these taxes don't always go to the people because of corruption.